The final video to fix G-Sync option grayed out in the NVIDIA app. And if you cannot enable it, let me ask you, are you opening NVIDIA Control Panel and noticing the G-Sync option is grayed out or unavailable? This problem usually happens because display drivers are outdated, monitor settings are incompatible, or system configuration blocks G-Sync. Sometimes recent Windows updates, incorrect cable connections, or GPU settings also trigger the issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated driver reinstalls, risky registry tweaks, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not restore G-Sync. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of changing every setting blindly, we fix the exact NVIDIA driver, monitor, and system path that causes G-Sync to be unavailable. This works because it restores proper detection and enabling of G-Sync. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, G-Sync option is selectable, adaptive sync works correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If G-Sync option grayed out in the NVIDIA app is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.